Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to the detailed troubleshooting presentation for DTC P2279, which refers to an intake air system leak in the Honda Accord 2023 and newer models. Understanding this error is crucial for ensuring the engine's optimal performance. When the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, detects an unexpected increase in air quantity from the positive crankcase ventilation system, it triggers this diagnostic trouble code. The malfunction indicates that the intake air system is not functioning as intended, which can lead to performance issues. Components involved include the intake manifold, the PVC valve, and the throttle body, all of which play critical roles in the engine's air intake system. Familiarity with these components helps technicians diagnose and rectify the issue effectively. DTC P2279 communicates an issue with the intake air system, particularly when the air quantity from the PCV, or positive crankcase ventilation system, exceeds normal values. The PCM, or Powertrain Control Module, actively manages the air-fuel mixture and engine emissions through a set of monitored parameters. When abnormalities are detected, such as in the intake manifold, the system alerts technicians about possible leaks or malfunctions. Major components affected include the intake air duct, which carries air to the engine, the PCV valve, which controls the flow of crankcase vapors, and the throttle body, which regulates airflow entering the engine. These components are primarily located under the hood of the vehicle and can typically be accessed easily for inspection. There are several potential causes for DTC P2279 that need to be considered during troubleshooting. First and foremost, vacuum leaks are a common culprit. These can occur in hoses or connections that have aged or become damaged. A faulty PCV valve can also lead to an imbalance in the air intake, as it may not effectively control the flow of vapors. Disconnected hoses are another likely cause, particularly in the intake system and PCV system, as any loss in connection can severely affect readings. Each of these issues can contribute to the PCM interpreting air quantity as being outside of normal parameters, making it crucial to investigate these components thoroughly. Several symptoms can arise from the activation of DTC P2279. Common indicators include noticeable engine performance issues, where the vehicle may struggle during acceleration or exhibit a lack of power. Additionally, drivers might experience a rough or unstable idle as the engine struggles to maintain optimal air-fuel mixtures. The check engine light is a primary warning sign that should not be ignored, as it indicates that the PCM has detected an error within the intake air system. In more severe cases, fuel efficiency may be adversely affected, leading to increased fuel consumption. Understanding these symptoms helps technicians pinpoint the issue more efficiently. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P2279 involves starting the engine and holding the RPM at 3000 without any load, meaning the vehicle should be in park or neutral. This is critical, as maintaining this RPM allows the engine systems to stabilize and enables proper testing. Next, technicians must monitor the HDS, or Honda Diagnostic System, for the presence of DTC P2279. After doing this for a specified time until the radiator fan engages. If the DTC reappears, it confirms a persistent issue in the intake air, PCV, or EVAP systems. This observation lays the groundwork for further inspection to identify specific fault points. Following the monitoring phase, the next troubleshooting step is a comprehensive visual inspection of the intake system components. Technicians should check the intake air duct, intake manifold, and related hoses for any signs of wear. such as cracks, breaks, or loose connections. Inspecting the PCV valve is also vital, as any malfunction here directly impacts air quantity. Ensure that the evap canister purge valve and throttle body are properly seated and functioning. Any irregularities can lead to erroneous readings. Documenting the condition of these components will guide further steps in resolving the P2279 code. The third step focuses on identifying any vacuum leaks, which are critical in understanding issues associated with DTC P2279. Technicians should thoroughly examine hoses and connections within the intake air system for any leaks, breaks, or wear. Specific components to scrutinize include the intake air duct, intake manifold, PCV valve, PCV hose, purge hose, and throttle body. Specialized tools, such as smoke machines or pressure testers, can effectively reveal hidden leaks that may not be visible during a standard inspection. Completing this step is crucial, as finding and fixing leaks directly impacts the integrity of the air intake system. After completing the necessary repairs, it is essential to verify that all corrections have resolved the DTC P2279 issue. Restart the engine and observe if the check engine light returns. Monitoring the HDS should reveal that the previously stored DTC is no longer present. If the code has been cleared, it indicates that the related systems are functioning correctly, confirming that repairs were successful. However, if the code reappears, further investigation into the components may be required. This final verification is vital for ensuring long-term reliability and performance of the vehicle. Preventive maintenance plays a significant role in avoiding future occurrences of DTC P2279. Regular visual inspections of intake system components will help catch issues before they escalate into more significant problems. Worn or damaged components should be replaced at the first signs of wear to maintain optimal engine performance. Additionally, monitoring engine performance and conducting routine maintenance checks can prevent underlying issues from arising. Education on the workings of the intake and PCV systems can empower owners to take proactive steps in vehicle maintenance, ultimately enhancing the longevity and reliability of their vehicle. In summary, understanding DTC P2279 and its implications on the intake air system is essential for accurate diagnostics and repairs. The interplay between components such as the intake manifold, PCV valve, and throttle body is critical for engine performance. Regular inspections not only help detect any potential leaks or issues early, but also maintain vehicle reliability over time. Promptly resolving any warnings indicated by the check engine light will prevent further complications from affecting vehicle operation. Ultimately, a well-maintained intake system is vital for optimal engine performance and longevity. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.